Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po yung likod, si Jar Makinay. And today, we'll be reviewing, uh, in my opinion, one of the best things Handy has made. This is the Handy AK Draco. It's a beauty. It's really beautiful. I really love this one. First, quality. This is an all ABS plastic. So, don't expect much from the quality. But, it looks really nice. It's very well molded. And this fake wood, really nice. I like it. Trades. There are some trades. 6-hour, crag, thread. This one, Romania, made in Romania. It's really nice. Cute. Features, it has a magazine prime. It has, this is the weird one. Safe, semi, full auto. So it's different from the usual AKs. So it's different. It also have a magnified fake sights. Red dot. There's no red dot, but it's nice. It's actually magnified. Battery space. Again, this is a Handy. So it's, what's this? Oh, this is the battery release press. And it's the usual special 5 volts 3.7. There's actually writing here now. You cannot pull this without pressing this button. This. Press, then pull. BB capacity, nice. It's more than the usual. See, this is the usual AK, and the capacity is this. And the reloading is this. And because this is Hydro Blasters, they are smart. Huh? So this has lots of ammo already, and you get more ammo. So nice. And since you have 2 mags, we'll try. I hope I can do it properly. Tactical AK reload. Pressure. I really love that. This is very light. It's, again, this is toy grade, so don't expect much, but it's light. But do not keep on doing this. I can hear creaking, so it might break, so be careful. Upgrades, there will be no upgrades. FPS, this is 150 average, FPS 160. It has a hard time reaching the 10-meter mark. You need to angle it a little bit. There is no inner barrel, so one of the things that we can do to upgrade this one is change the barrel to this one, to a metal one. Then we can put a hop up, because I think the barrel is here, something around here. So they really made it so that the FPS is lower, because again, this is a kid's blaster, so what do you expect? But it's still fun. Doesn't read that much that far, but still fun. And lots of ammo. So You buy two of these. Oh, no, no. One of these, and you're basically set for the game. Price. This is available from our good friend of the channel, Hydro Blasters MNL, and it is around 2,000 something. Where is the website? You can also access the uh, parts list on the hydroblastersmnl.cococart.co. You can see what is available there right now. And this is 2,250. It is really cheap. Really cheap. It's I can say this one is already competitive. You have lots of ammo. It have two magazines. It has good battery. And it's cheap. So, really good. This is an AK. I'm biased. Okay. Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reaction, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below. And I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!